Now for this assignment, the first thing that you will be able to see on your assignment page is that you will be able to see a link like this. When you click on the link, it will definitely navigate to another page. It will take some time in order to get open. Once the page get open, I will help you out in order to understand exactly how to submit this assignment. Now, first, just navigating the screen over there, you are able to see that the application is screen, Castify, where you are able to see that particular option of a computer grade 6 applied digital skills Google Slides. Over here, you will be able to see a record button. As soon as you click on the record button, it will navigate you to another screen, as you are able to see on the top over here. Choose what to share, entire screen, Windows or Chrome tab. So I will click on the entire screen and I'll click on the share button. So as soon as I click on the share button, you will be able to see that a countdown begins and you will be able to record your screen. So you can present your screen for the Google Slides and you can record the entire scrapbook that you have recorded and you can share it with your teachers. The only thing over there is that you require to stop it. Once you stop your screen, when you navigate, I will be just scrolling down the screen. Once you navigate, you will be able to see a submit button over here. This submit button will be enabled for the students, but since I'm a teacher, I won't be able to show you how to submit. Just click on the submit button and your videos will be submitted and the teachers will be able to see your recordings that you have done.